What's up YouTube? It is Sam's Diecast Showroom here. Today we're going to be opening up some new 2022 Hot Wheels. These are from Case H. First car we're going to be opening up today is the Range Rover Classic in a new teal color. This is from the Mud Stud series number 159, and a cool new release of this classic Range Rover casting, a really cool casting. Let's get this open and take a nice look. So these have different colored wheels, and they actually mixed up the plastic and kind of like a mixture, so sometimes you might get different colored wheels, and that is perfectly normal for this particular release of this Range Rover Classic. And I love the shape of this. I love the classic Land Rovers. I love Land Rovers in general, and oh my goodness, look at this. Wow, okay, I wasn't expecting this. Looks like we have a loose chassis or something's broken on this. Let's see, look at the front. Nope, nothing on the front, but look at the back here. The chassis isn't lined up, so this was put in the wrong way or something. Super weird. It doesn't really affect the quality of it. It doesn't really, no loose parts. They just put it on wrong. So, I don't know, something kind of weird going on with this. Yeah, they put it on wrong, but it's not a huge deal. It says Expedition on the side, Land Rover, a bunch of different designs on it. Love the colors and different things on this. A super cool model, and chrome rims with those mixed colored muddy tires. Those are Baja 5-spoke wheels, and then painted designs on the back. That is so weird how that chassis is not aligned properly. Painted taillights, Expedition on the side, some cool mountains and different decals. Land Rover on the side, BF Goodrich, black interior, and a let's see, that is a brown plastic base. Really cool model. This one would have been the Super for the case, but this is just the main line, the 2020 Jaguar F-Type in a new black color from the Hot Wheels Turbo series, number 158, and did not find the Super of this one, but the main line is cool enough. Very nice. Those are J5-spoke wheels, a very nice, clean, and sleek car, gloss black. We saw this one previously in blue and in gray, and now a black one with different wheels. Very nice designs on this one, and super fast car in real life. Definitely an awesome vehicle. Quad exhausts on that black plastic base. Loving the shiny gloss color on this one. A black interior as well. So this thing's all blacked out with the chrome wheels. Awesome designs. Love the painted headlights and painted taillights. And take a nice look at that. Very cool model. And hoping to see some more colors of this in the future. Maybe some premium ones would look nice. 2017 Ford GT in blue from Hot Wheels Turbo. I love my Ford GTs. Number 157 on the year. And Ford GTs is one of my favorite kind of group of cars to collect. One of them at least. And let's just pop this one open. A little bit of a tougher open there. There we go. Blue with black rims, black striping. Feels really good, has a lot of weight to it, a black plastic base, and interesting designs on that. Kind of an older casting from 2015, blacked out Phil Reelman 5-spoke wheels, nice sporty supercar, and look at those aerodynamics, really nice. I love this blue color, not sure what to call it, maybe like Miami blue I think. And then check that out, there is the front, and Ford logo, painted headlights, black striping, black interior. There's the top there. Very nice looking car, great profile on this one. And another awesome looking Ford GT to add to my ever-growing collection of Ford GTs. Super awesome new color. And next up, we have the treasure hunt for the H case, the Morris Mini from Compact Kings, and number 161. I got 2 of these, so I have one to open, and I have another one to keep in the packaging, but I don't open treasure hunts too often, so this is kind of a treat for me. There you go, there's a treasure hunt logo. Had a little bit of a soft corner, so that's why I chose this one to open. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Look at this, guys. Nice, cool little Mini Cooper, and a little bit of a blemish right there, but that's alright. Kind of looks cool. Doesn't look too bad. And then a chrome plastic base on this one. We see the treasure hunt logo right there. Awesome looking treasure hunt, really like it. This is Firestone, Castrol, all these different colors and designs, white, red, and black. It's a Mini Cooper. I don't like those small Mini Coopers. I really like it. Love the black roof with the white striping. Classic British or European British car. And what do we have for an interior? Is that a green interior? Clear green interior, I think. Or maybe it's black. I can't really tell from the camera angle. I think it's black. And then we got those deep dish 8-spoke wheels on it. Super cool looking model. I love this. Here's a recolor of our fantasy model, the Blade Raider from Baja Blazers, number 51 in new purple color. I have several different colors of this. I have a treasure hunt as well from like 2017, but metallic purple, and I love the color on this. This is probably my favorite one of these particular castings to date. Favorite color of this one. And we got the muddy tires with black rims on those, and then a chrome interior, red windows, really big shocks on this. It's kind of like an off-road race car, and I love those colors. That sparkly metallic purple, number 5, and there's a nice look there. Black plastic base. Nice looking model. Not my favorite casting, but it is pretty good looking, and I do have some colors of this one, different colors of it. Volkswagen Baja Bug. This is kind of a newer casting. We had a Baja Bug that was released in like the 90s or the 80s, but this is a newer casting. And from Mud Stud series in blue, light blue, number 160. And I love my Volkswagens, especially my Beetles and stuff. And that just stuck right in the container there, the plastic bubble. And we got those muddy tires once again with the big Volkswagen logo on the side and painted surfboard and fuel can. That's pretty cool. I like this one a lot. There is the spoiler, or not the spoiler, the exhaust in the back. Definitely built for off-roading, really high lift kit. Black plastic base from 2022 Case H. Nice looking model, and here's a nice show around of it. Very nice. A really cool model, the Back to the Future Time Machine, definitely extremely collectible from the Screen Time series number 167. And this is the driving mode. I know there's a hover mode too, with the wheels are in, and I love these wheels. The Aerodisc wheels are a really awesome wheel, and they look great on this car, especially in chrome. And there's the classic metallic gray paint job, super cool model based on the DeLorean DMC-12. This is the Back to the Future Time Machine, black plastic base. There's the back there, love the painted details and actual movie designs. Check that out. Close up of all the different details on this, especially the back. I think the back has a lot of details on it. And then looks to be a black interior as well. Very nice looking model. Great new release from 2022 Case H. This is going to look good with my other ones. Another new model, the Dimachinni Veloce. I think that's how you pronounce it. I actually don't know, but interesting style fenders on this. A new model for 2022 Hot Wheels Daredevil series number 163. And this is in blue. We're going to see this one in green and red, I believe. I have the red one. But this is from the H case in blue, and pretty cool looking stunt car. This is a fantasy car, I believe. I'm not sure what it's based off of. And there's the black plastic base right there. The gray rims, number 34 with Firestone tires on the side and Castrol. Different designs on it. I love this. Definitely an awesome looking car. Even though it's fantasy, still looks pretty real. And it's not ugly. And look at that there. The fenders are kind of like a parallelogram shape. And very cool. Number 34. Hot Wheels graphics. All these different kind of rally tampos on it. There's the front end. And super nice. Very nice model. Black plastic base, as I already mentioned. New model for 2022. What do you guys think of this one? This one was really hot when it first came out. The 47 Chevy Fleetline in Mooneyes design with the Rod Squad series here, number 155 on the year. And I remember, I think these have a lot of weight to them. I think these are heavy castings with lots of metal, but we shall see. Let's get this open. So yellow with the Mooneyes, definitely an awesome looking design, or color scheme rather. And when you see yellow with Mooneyes, you know it's going to be an awesome vehicle, and this is definitely no exception. Nice heavy metal we have on this with Goodyear and Mooneyes designs, black and white. Super clean, classic 47 Chevy Fleetline. There's the front and the sides there. Very cool. There's kind of like the, I don't know what to call that, the thing above the windshield. Then we have a chrome plastic base. Very nice looking. 47 Chevy Fleetline in awesome yellow. And last but definitely not least, the McLaren F1 GTR in a new metallic gray color. From Retro Racers, we previously saw this one in cyan or teal kind of color. And this is the new H-Case Recolor. Let's get this open. New recolor of this McLaren. I love the McLarens. I'm starting to have a little line of McLarens in my display. And this is kind of like an unpainted finish. Looks like they did actually paint it over and put some gloss over it. But this is metallic gray or kind of silver metal color. And then we got orange chrome 10 spokes on it. And then kind of a black, silver, and orange color scheme. The McLaren F1 GTR. There's the base there, plastic base. Gonna look good with my other one. Nice little spoiler on the back. Bigger wheels in the back, smaller wheels in the front. Painted headlights, black interior. Super fast model, and probably would do well in Hot Wheels racing. McLaren on the side there with a number 3. Super awesome. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Which one was your favorite? Probably, I don't know. This was a great case. I got a lot of favorites from this case. Thank you guys for tuning in. Subscribe for more. What do you want to see next? I'm definitely going to have J-Case cars out next. So thanks for tuning in. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.